Cold floor, red eyes. I pray for heat in a world gone dry. Mama said, just hold the light, but I lost it when her lungs turned white. I used to be clean, used to bow my head, not grease machines and sleep beside regret. I stole from the place that broke my back, not for gain, just to fight the black. I saw him once in the flames, soft gleam, but he don't answer scrapyard screams. I breathe in rust, I bleed in prayer. I shout her name, there's no one there. I burn the lines between wrong and right, lit the furnace just to save her life. Ash beneath my nails, blood on the floor. No halo left, but I do it once more. I gave my soul for a piece of life. They took my name, but not my fight. She lived 2 years in warmth and flame. If that's my sin, I'll bear the blame. Brother died with a coffin grin. I held his hand, but I let death in. Couldn't save him, I just ran. I was ghost sleeps in my greasy hands. I drink alone where the saints don't go. Kiss the cold she left on the floor. Her perfume's gone, but I breathe it still, like a warm stitch deep in a winter chill. I broke the law for a dying flame. I do it again, scream her name. Ash beneath my nails, chains on my skin, but I won her time and I call that a win. I fall, I crawl through heaven's rust. My heart's still black, but my cause was just. So curse me now, I'll stand so still. But mama smiled, and that was real. They say I stole, but I gave it all to light one night before the fall. The snow came down, she couldn't see, so I burned my soul to let her eat. I used to skies, now white windshields under neon lights. Cash runs out, lungs turn cold. She's 6 years old and dying bold. kid, I lit the spark, a bowl of noodles in the dark. I saw her smile, half a breath, then silence came. I screamed to death. She left her scar, I sleep with it. It smells like hope and melted grit. I still pray loud, I still kneel low, but no one's home in God's shadow. So judge me hard, throw down your chain. I stole for love, not for gain. I bore the crime, I lost the light, but gave her warmth for one more night. I'm not the man I used to be, but hell's too small to cage what's free. I lost my name, but I kept her warm, and that's the mark I always wear in I forgot my name last year, but smiled when I brought him near. No sirens then, just cold and bone. I broke a lock to bring him home. I used to pick the cleanest string, now I scrape rust just to eat ash on my boots, blood on my hands. The world forgets what love demands. He stared at me through clouded eyes, to laugh when I lit up the night. A coat of fire, a shattered frame, I'd do it all again the same. I'm proud, but I still burn. I gave my soul one return. Let 'em chain me, judge my skin, but I break the world to warm him again. I saw the blue lights blind the snow, still held his hand and wouldn't go. I sinned for grace in empty halls, with ash and love on broken walls. She left her scent on the hallway door. I sleep beside her coat, nothing more, and pray to a God that don't reply. But I still kneel, though he walked by. I used to shine, I used to care. Now I find frost in poisoned air. I brought him heat, I brought him light. No heaven came, just silent night. I broke the law, I forgave, but for a man lost in the rain, he don't recall my face or name, but in the fire he felt the same. So judge me now, whispered. I drove through the dark with my name in the trunk. Didn't ask what it was, I just needed the month's rent. Wife was breathing deep, contractions hitting fast, and I ain't got the cash for a room with clean white sheets. Steel on my boots, heat on my back. I ain't no killer, just stuck on the track. They said just drive, don't look inside, so I turned the key and let my soul slide. Midnight wheels and a shaking frame. Cargo goes like a witch named. Didn't know what I hold that night. I threw she was screaming and burned like I lit the road with stolen trust. Headlights blinding, but I drove for us. You can cuff my hands, but not my soul. 'Cause love don't wait and pain don't slow. Yeah, blood and gifts and broke the law for one clean cry through it all. Cop flashing the cuffs, went tight but her eyes were wide in the morning light. I missed her breathing the first word out, but I paid the price and I'm still proud. They call me mule, they call me fool, but I bought a crib, I bent the rule. I do it twice with open eyes, just to hear my baby's first cry. You want clean hands, but dirt made me, and I still pray, though no one sees. I lit the road with stolen trust. Headlights blinding, but I drove for us. You can cuff my hands, but not my soul. 'Cause love don't wait and pain don't slow. Yeah, blood and gears and broke the law for one clean cry. I heard through it all. She don't know what her daddy did to keep the cold from a newborn crib. But when she laughs, it breaks the chain. I drive again through fire and the rain. I lit the road with stolen trust. Headlights blinded, but I drove for us. You can cuff my hands, but not my soul. 'Cause love don't wait and pain don't slow. Yeah, blood and gears and broke the law for one clean cry. I heard through it all. Whispered, you can chain my feet, but not my reason why. I washed their blood off crates and floors, but can't wash what's inside me anymore. She cried behind a bathroom door. I knocked, I swore, and then I roared. Used to carry boxes, just keeping low. $9 an hour, no room to grow. Till till I saw her bruises bloom like ink, and my hands forgot how not to swing. He smiled like pain was just a game, so I broke his face, broke his name. Didn't bring a blade, just brought my fist in the rage of a brother who don't miss. No angels came when I bled, no priest could bless what I did. I pray in alleys paved with sin, where no light dares to begin. My hands ain't clean, but they held her cry, tore through hell 'cause the law walked by. Don't call it rage, don't call it mean. I'd break again just to make her free. Took the fall and wore the blame, but I'd do it twice to kill the shame. I'm not pure, but I stood between a demon's fist and a broken dream. They put me down in cell block gray, but I slept fine most every day, 'cause I saw her smile through a safer life, living with our ends away from the knife. No medals pinned, no songs of praise, just cold machines and conveyor chains. But when I sweat and curse this floor, I still hear her breathe and not cry no more. I left my soul back in that fight, left mercy bleeding in the night. Carried guilt like rust on skin, but I'd walk through hell and back again. My hands ain't clean, but they held her cry, tore through hell 'cause the law walked by. Don't call it rage, don't call it mean. I'd break again just to make her free. You can damn me, cage me, judge what's seen, but I hate the monster in that scene. I'm the wall that broke the screen, the hands unclean but born to redeem. Tell her I'm fine, tell her I'd do it again, just to see her rise.